it's Prachi and today I'm gonna talk about pimples because I feel like no matter how many videos I do on pimples, the pimples keep coming back. And personally, I think it makes sense, especially for teenagers living in polluted cities with fast lifestyles, with the kind of food that we eat these days. The pimples have to keep coming back. So today I'm going to talk about something that not only helps you in getting rid of the pimples, but using this, on a regular basis will actually maintain your skin and the pimples won't keep popping up again and again. So as you can probably already tell, right now I'm holding a Clean and Clear pimple clearing face wash. This is not a new face wash, guys. It has been around in the market for quite some time, and you might have even seen this on the shelves around you with a green packaging, picture of neem leaves and a lemon on it, and it says over here that it's oil free and it won't clog pores, and like in case of every Clean and Clear product, extremely budget friendly. So for instance, if you're buying a 40 ml package, it'll just cost you rupees 55, and for an 80 ml package you just have to pay rupees 99. Now one of the biggest reasons why I picked this up myself was because it read on the package, that it contains neem and lemon, and neem and lemon, they actually fight pimples like from the core of the problem, and you can actually see a difference. Like for me, when I used this, the experience was so good and I could actually start seeing a difference right from the beginning itself. Now I remember when I picked up this product, it was a couple of months ago, I was actually traveling. So traveling, pollution, oily, greasy food, things like that. I mean, it has to cause pimples and skin problems for you. And the worst thing about traveling is that you can't really carry all your DIY tools, plus you don't have the time. So I saw this thing, it contains neem, it contains lemon, and I was like, how bad can it be? Neem and lemon are great for your skin. Plus it contains aloe, so I was like, okay, it's not going to be harsh on my skin. I think it's definitely worth a try. And I can tell you guys, I mean, first of all, the experience was great. This product has like this beautiful green color and it foams beautifully. It has an amazing scent. And more than that, I think, I mean, ultimately what matters is how well it works for your skin, right? It worked really well for my skin, and I just feel like, you can have all your perfect outfits ready, you can have all your cosmetics in place, your jewelry and everything in place, but sometimes all it takes is that one stupid small pimple on your face to ruin everything for you. So yeah, thankfully that didn't happen. And as for how this product feels, guys, first of all, it's beautiful and transparent, and it makes your skin feel extremely refreshed immediately. So it's also something that you want to use at night just before you go to bed, It will clean your skin, it will actually have a very calming impact because of the scent in it. And it just keeps your skin clean for the whole night. You can also use it in the morning. So for all the people out there who keep having these pimple problems, especially the teenagers, because I know teenage is probably the worst time when it comes to pimples, I would suggest you try using this and use it daily, and it's great, Not only will it clear up your pimples, but it will, like I said before, it will maintain your skin on a day-to-day basis. The pimples don't keep coming up, and also it's great to use, it's natural. So I think it's definitely worth a shot. So guys, that's all for now. If you have used this particular face wash before, let me know in the comment section below what your thoughts are and how your experience has been. Also, don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, and follow me on my social media for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye. Bye.